Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can enter one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Advanced. Now scroll down again, tap on one-handed mode and click on this switcher in order to activate it. Then scroll down just a bit and make sure that pull into reach option is enabled. Then follow all of those instructions. Swipe down near the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, you can always swipe up or just click on this area. If you want to, you can also tap on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then choose Got It and enter one-handed mode by tapping on the shortcut on your screen. You can go back to the standard size by clicking on the same one, swiping up, or clicking on this area. In order to disable both of those options, tap on blue switchers next to them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!